Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to size your nails with the Press-On Nails by V sizing kit. So this is what it looks like. It comes with all of these nails. There's 14 of them, and some of them are half sizes, which are great because sometimes you're in between sizes. So I'll kind of walk you through how to size your nails. So following the instructions, you're going to place the nail on your natural nail bed, free from nail polish and other products. Then you're going to push down in the middle of the nail so that you have an accurate fit. The press-on should cover from sidewall to sidewall with no gaps or overlapping. The nails have the numbers on them, and you want to make sure that the cuticle end is the rounded side of the nail. So I don't know if you can see, but right here it is overlapping on my skin. So that would be a nail that I would not use. So I'm actually a 0 and this is a 0 0. So I'll kind of show that again. You're going to be putting it on the nail, pushing down slightly, and you're going to see that it is overlapping my skin just a tad. So this is a 4.5. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So that would be the sizing for my index. So I know I'm a 7 for my pinky. Let's push down, you're going to see that it aligns with the sidewall. Cuticle doesn't overlap the skin. So this is a 6. And as you can see, that is too big for my nail. It is overlapping on my skin. And it's all over my cuticle as well. This is a 1. And I'm slightly pushing down. As you can see, it overhangs over my nail and goes on my skin, so this would not be a good fit for me. You also want to make sure that you're sizing the nails properly because this can cause a pop off if they are too small or they are too big. If you are in between sizes, you want to go up with the bigger size. So if it's overhanging, you want to go down a size. So this is a 1. I'm going to go to a 3. And that fits perfectly. So once you're done sizing your nails, you want to put them down on the bottom here and write which nail is which size. In this little section I have additional shapes, so if you want to see what your nails look like with coffin or a different shape rather than the one that you are receiving, just gives you a bit of an idea of what it looks like. And then send me a picture and send it my way and we can get your order started. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a shout.